Industrial Engineering and Management program has several laboratories to train the students on various skills, including work study, method study, time study, then ergonomics, facilities planning and design. These are the hardware labs, which will help in developing the skills on how to improve efficiency and effectiveness of various processes. And there are software labs under operations research, statistics, operations management, and supply chain management. So they use starting from simple Excel tools to advanced tools, software platforms to solve various problems and decision making situations in industrial engineering domain.
Comparing the laboratory facilities and the equipments, the software available when compared with RVCA and other institutions, I would like to say RVCA has got an upper hand with respect to IEM labs. This is because we have designed, the faculty members here have designed few of the experiments on their own with respect to the DWST or WST lab. So that lab, all the experiments, most of the experiments are designed by the faculty itself, and technical staff have designed the equipment required for conducting of our SPC lab, that is statistical process control lab. Our technical staff itself, they have designed the complete, they have designed and developed the complete equipment and many of the other college faculty and other people come and give us an opportunity to develop for them also. So we have done this consultancy work for AIT and other colleges. So in that fashion, I can say that our laboratories are exceptionally good, and we have well developed software. So we also have commercially available softwares ranging for almost all the labs, including for SPC lab. We have the mini tab. For supply chain management lab, we are now procuring any logistic software also. We also have risk management software. So sophisticated softwares are also available, which will help the students in understanding the concepts better.
So this is a machine shop that's in our department, Industrial Engineering and Management. The one you see behind me is a milling machine that we use to make gears and other stuff. And this lab has multiple lathe machines, the manual lathe machines that are used to train us for industrial experience and so on. We have well equipped lab which is quite sufficient for all the students that are studying here.
The course that have been given to you are nominal, and industrial engineering management is an interdisciplinary course wherein from basics from the 3rd semester to 7th semester we will have the mechanical as well as the management courses.
From molecular analysis to material characterization, our equipment provides unparalleled accuracy.
Precision is the key, and analytics lab is where our data meets insights.